Hi guys, good morning all of you. Hope all of you can hear me. Anyone guys, can you please confirm? Is I'm audible guys?
Yes, sir.
Right, right. So guys, so today is your the first introduction class guys. So let me just introduce myself. This is Vamsi Krishna Guttula. Just give me a second. Just give me a second guys. So just I don't want to take much time. Just a small 2 minutes introduction regarding myself. So this is Vamsi Krishna Guttula, guys. Almost all I'm having around 20 plus years of experience, almost all closer to 21 years, almost all. So 21 plus years of experience. I said it's 20 years. It is 21 plus years of experience I'm having. Most of my specialization is on the data related technologies. Almost all I started in year 2000, year 2003, guys, up to 2004. It is already 21 years completed actually. So I started my career with the database management in the initial guys. In initial days, I started with database management, database admin, business intelligence tools. I was from 2005 itself. I'm working on business intelligence tool, various reporting tools, various ETL tools. I'm working from so many years, guys. Different reporting tools, guys, like Cognos, business objects. We have in MicroStrategy, SSRS. Now I was into the Power BI. And apart from that, I was after that I moved to big data systems in 2014, and from 2017 I was into the data science, guys. So my main specialization is on the data science. Power BI is also my expertise, but currently my main expertise and my main subject is data science, guys. You know that, right? One of the top leading technology, data science, machine learning, AI. Uh, Generative AI nowadays, prompt engineering. So these are all my main expertise, guys. Data science, the Power BI is a data visualization, which is also one of my expertise, guys. And I was collaborated with various training academies like DurgaSoft, whatever you are attending. Not only that, Naresh IT earlier, before that Satya Technologies, Stansis, and apart from XLR. So these are all the different the training academies which I was collaborated as a consultant trainer for them, guys. Okay. So now I was working from earlier, I was used to work on XLR. Now I was collaborated with DurgaSoft. Mainly, I delivers the training on various technologies like data science is my main expertise, and apart from that, Power BI, guys. So that's it, guys. That is about myself. That is about myself. What I can say that. And today is your first session, and today is your introduction class, guys. I just don't want to start with any main implementation for the today's class, guys. So today's session, I just want to give you an idea about like you want to know what is Power BI. And by this time, guys, Power BI is a very popular tool. So everybody came to know about what is Power BI nowadays, guys. So there is nothing to explain to them because everyone came to know about what is Power BI, just like how everyone knows about Excel, how everyone knows about PowerPoint presentation. Just like that, almost on nowadays, guys, everyone came to know about what is Power BI. I think you guys also having, maybe you guys may not be an expertise in implementing of Power BI, but I think you guys having some little bit knowledge about what is Power BI, why do you require it, and all these things. So I want to hear from a few points from your side also, guys. Can anybody, what do you know about Power BI? Can I get some few points from your side, guys? Anyone? Anyone from your side? What do you know about Power BI, guys? A few points I am just
Power
expecting from you.
Power BI is a hi. This is Rajendra.
Yes, yes, Rajendra.
Power
Yes, go
BI is
ahead.
a reporting tool,
Okay,
and
okay.
it
So
is
can I
mainly
call
used
it
for
as
data.
an, okay, fine. Okay. Can I call it as a data visualization software?
Yeah, mainly
Okay,
used for data
reporting tool.
analysis
Hmm.
purpose.
Yes, yes, yes. It is going to be mainly data visualization or reporting tool, mainly used for which is basically for data analysis. Okay. Can you tell me why do you have to go for a data analysis? What is the need of data analysis? Why,
See,
what is the
because
need of analysis?
every organization needs, right, like
Hmm.
whatever we are doing it. Because higher end people like will not see whatever they see, only reports like.
Hmm. Okay. So based on that, what they will do actually?
Any like they'll do the analysis like what is the performance or how it is
Okay.
like.
Okay. Okay. So using that analysis, what is the main target is? Okay, they will analyze. Okay, they will identify their sales and etc. So based on that particular analysis, they want to take some kind of an business decisions, right?
Yes, yes.
Isn't it? They want, finally the target is to, why they have to analyze, okay, this year where, in which location the sales are done. So how the sales has been, what are the different sales in different locations, they want to know that. And after that, they will take some decision. So in which locations we have to concentrate more, where the sales are less, where the sales are high. So they have to analyze their particular data. So yes, absolutely guys, Power BI is a data visualization software or a reporting software developed by which company, guys? Power BI was developed by which company, guys?
Microsoft.
It's from Microsoft, guys. So Microsoft is a obviously well-known company. Everyone knows about that. What is the popularity? Without maximum, without having Windows, generally, without working with Microsoft products, generally we don't have, we can't work, guys. Like as you know that Microsoft Office, it's from Microsoft Excel, PowerPoint, Microsoft Word, and mainly operating system, guys. Windows. 80% of the operating systems are Windows operating systems only, guys. 80% of the worldwide it is going to be Windows operating system only. And so many other softwares also. Microsoft Teams we are working, which is basically for team collaborative. It's going to be like whatever the Zoom, etc. It's going to be Microsoft Team. Many of the organizations internally uses Microsoft Teams only, guys. They don't uses the Zoom and all these things for the meetings and all these things. So many of the Microsoft products in our daily life will use it, same as it is. Microsoft Power BI is also one of the such kind of a data visualization software. Okay, what is the main concept of data visualization, guys? So visualization is a technique where we are going to convert our raw data. Whatever the raw data was there, guys. Raw data means in terms of tabular format or some other format, guys. It may not be always a tabular format, guys. So data which is there in the format of rows and columns are there. I want to convert this into some kind of an visuals we want to convert it, guys. So the same data, the same information, whatever that is there in the values, I just converted this data into which is going to be some kind of an bars and column charts, whatever I have been got converted. Example I'm taking about. What is the data? It is not bothered about. We are not discussing about what is the data there here. Got the point? So this is your raw data, guys. Raw data, we are converting this into, which is going to be a visual format we are converting it, guys. That is, what is our main target about the data visualizations. First of all, why should I convert? So the basic reason to convert the data, why? Because these guys, mainly to understand the data in a easy way. It is basically, we call it as an data interpretation. Whenever you want to interpret that particular data, interpretation we have to do is, guys. Interpretation means understanding the data. So your business users, your business managers, the high-end management, they don't want to see the data. They want to see everything in a visual format whenever they want to interpret the data. They understand the business data. And using the data interpretation or the data analysis, they are going to take some kind of an business decisions, guys. Okay. So mainly data visualization is a skill or a technique where we'll convert the data into, which is going to be, which is the data is converted into a visual format. Now, once the visual format, once the data is converted into visual format, these can be shared with our business users for understanding the data and for interpretation of the business data. And based on that, they want to take some kind of a business decision they can take it, guys. So that is mainly the purpose of data visualization. Now, coming to the data visualization, how many ways we can do the data visualization, guys? So generally, this concept most of the people does not discuss. Why? Because from the last almost all from 20 years, I was in the industry. So I know how the evaluation of that. From 2005, I'm working on this reporting, guys. From starting from 2005, I'm working on reporting. Okay. After 2014 to 2017, I didn't work on that much, but almost all from 2005 to 2014, I worked on the reporting. And after a 3 years break, I worked on big data systems. After that, again, coming back to the data science, again, I started working with this reporting concept, guys. But how do you do this data visualization? This data visualization can be done in two ways, guys. Your data visualization, what is data visualization, guys? Simple. If you give the raw data, guys, if you give the input, the data here to the software, this is the output, what it will get it, guys. If you remember, in our school days and our college days itself, in our school days, guys, mostly. So we are having this kind of example. They used to give a data, they will give a graph sheet. We used to plot the data on the graph sheet to understand the data. Same as it is. There we have done manually, guys. Here we have to done everything in an automated way. Coming to the data visualization, there are two ways are there, guys. How to do the data visualization? There are two ways are there. One is by using some kind of a coding, guys. Coding means by writing some kind of a software code, by writing some kind of a program, by using some languages, right? If you want to write a code, we have to use a language, guys. Anybody having any idea, guys? By using which programming language we can do this kind of a data visualization? Anyone having any idea, guys? Nowadays, it is a very popular language, guys. Anyone? Using a
Python.
programming language. Yes, Python. Yes, absolutely, guys. So Python is one of the popular language, guys, which is mainly used for data analysis. Using SQL, can you create the reports? Normal tabular reports, we can create it. Can you create this kind of a graphical reports and all these things? Can you create them? No, right? In SQL, we can't do that, right? Okay, fine. Python and one more language is, guys, R. Even, yes, absolutely, SQL is a language to create the reports, guys. But basically, it is going to be, that's why reporting means a different sense will come, guys. A different opinion will come. That's the reason what we'll say is visualization software. So converting the data into visual format, bars, graphs, charts, etc. So R is a one more popular language, guys. R is also one more language for which is mainly used for data visualization. So can you tell me, guys, using Python and R, you can generate the reports. We can create the data visualization. What do you say, guys? Is it an advantage or a disadvantages will be there, guys? Anyone? Anybody? Just think by yourself, guys. Do you think that it is an advantage to use the coding or is it a disadvantage to use the coding, guys? What do you say, guys? Yes, try to interact, guys. It is not a video training, right? No one? No one, guys. What is the advantage or disadvantages using this particular Python code? Yes.
We
No
should
one?
know about Python and Python we should know and programming language we should know.
Yes, absolutely. So first one is going to be need some expertise, guys. It is going to be, obviously, you need some expertise, like it is going to be Python or R language. You have to need some kind of an expertise is required. Okay, second point is, obviously, guys, we all of you know that if you do it by using coding, what will be the time, guys? Will it be time consuming or will it take a less time or more time, guys?
More time.
More time. It is going to be a time consuming, guys. So you can use, guys, Python, R. These are some of the languages we can use it. But basically the problem here is they need some expertise like Python or somebody saying SQL or somebody saying R. You require some expertise. You may not be a complete expertise. That's why I said that need some expertise on that. And it is a time consuming. The second one is nothing but we are having a GUI based, guys. The second one is nothing but we have a GUI based. You know what is meaning of GUI based, guys? Graphical user interface. What do you mean to say graphical user interface, guys? Graphical user interface means nothing but it's a simple drag and drop. It is going to be a simple drag and drop. We all of you know that, guys. Windows and which is going to be Linux. So all of you know that, guys. You know that, guys. Windows is an operating system and we are having a Linux or Unix is an operating system. We all of you know that, guys. People will prefer mostly with the Windows only, guys. Anybody knows, guys, why Unix and Linux is not that much preferable by many of the users, guys? Anyone? Have you heard about the Unix and Linux operating systems, guys?
User friendly.
Which one is user friendly?
Windows.
Windows is user friendly, guys. So what is Windows user friendly? GUI, guys. For example, if you want to copy a file, what you can do, guys? Right click on the file, copy, or simply just select the click on the file, drag it and drop it, right? Right click, copy, and simply what we are going to do, guys, you are going to right click and you are going to say paste. Not required, directly simple drag and drop. But in Linux and Unix, it's not work, guys. We have to write a command, CP, which is going to be what is the file name, what is the location you want to copy, you have to write the command, we have to write it. It's a completely command based. So you should know how to use a copy command, how to use that, what are the different options are there. But in Windows, it's not required. So even the data visualization also done by with the help of a GUI based. Simple, which is going to be drag and drop. Examples are going to be Power BI. Examples are going to be Power BI. Anybody knows about other GUI based data visualization tools just like Power BI, guys? Anyone knows about them? Yes, somebody also has said in the chat window earlier. ClickSense. Yes, ClickSense is also going to be one of the data visualization software, but it is going to come under the GUI based, guys. And one more popular tool is like a Tableau. So there are various different data visualization softwares are available, guys. There are various different type of data visualization softwares we are having, guys, like Power BI, and we are having something like which is going to be Power BI, or we have a Tableau, or we have a ClickSense. These are all the different types of data visualization software, guys. So what is the main advantage of using them is, I said that no, it's a GUI based, drag and drop. I don't say that you do not require any expertise, but no expertise is mandatory, guys. So a little bit basic knowledge, guys, you don't really require to work on, which is going to be more. I'm not saying that without any knowledge you can work with that. Just if you have a little bit basic knowledge, guys, you can understand or you can learn this Power BI, guys. So a little expertise is required, guys. Just a little expertise. We don't require, which is going to be little expertise is going to be required, guys. We don't require any, which is going to be higher level expertise is not going to be required, guys. That is what we can say about that. No, we cannot implement, we cannot implement the Power BI and the Mac. So if Rohit, if you are using Mac system, if you want to work with them, I'll tell you some alternative is there, but you cannot directly install Power BI on the Mac. Why? Because Power BI does not support many of the Microsoft products. Nowadays, there are coming up, but maximum Microsoft products will support only Windows operating. Many 99% of the Windows products will work only on the Windows operating systems. Like Power BI also, it works completely only on the Windows, but not on the Mac or not on the Linux. If you want to work on the Mac, there is some alternative is there, which you can use it. I can tell you later. Okay. And little expertise is required. And GUI based means, obviously we know that GUI based is very faster, guys, which is going to be less time. It's not going to, does not take that much time consuming, which is going to be within a very less time, you can create whatever the reports and whatever the visuals you want to create it very easily and effectively. We can create them, guys. Okay. So the only disadvantages and disadvantages comparing here is, guys, the only difference is little bit some expertise is required, guys, and it will be time consuming if you go for coding. GUI based, guys, little expertise is required, not that much expertise is mandatory. Just a little bit knowledge about Excel, CSV, what are going to be visualization, what are charts, what are columns, what are bars. Just if you know that, that is going to be sufficient, guys. And that is going to be that too within a very short time, within a very less time, you can create this kind of a visuals, we can create it, guys. So this is what we can say about this, the two different ways to create the visuals. But Power BI is a completely a GUI based. It was developed by the company called as Microsoft. So you can add up one more point, guys. Power BI is a data visualization software from Microsoft. I am going to add one more point, guys, which is going to be nothing but a GUI based data visualization software from Microsoft. So this is your Power BI, guys. This is your Power BI, guys. Simple. What you have to do is you have to feed the input data, raw data you give it, guys. And you just specify some few parameters. Immediately, it won't do it automatically, guys. If you give the raw data to the Power BI, so Power BI will convert. Output is going to be nothing but it will give you a chart or a graph or some other thing, which is going to be, we are going to get it like an output. Itself will convert, guys. Just you have to specify what data you require, which values you require on x-axis, which values you require on y-axis, what is the colors you require, what are the other things you require. So just for a small timing, guys, it is not required for you. I'll tell you, guys, how to install the Power BI software and all these things. I'll tell you. Just for a small timing, what I'm going to do is, guys, just I'm going to show you, like in the morning class, currently visualization is going on, guys. Morning 8 a.m. there is an visualization is going on, guys. So this is going to be some of the visualizations. Currently, we are currently discussing about them. See, guys, I'll just show you some visualizations. You can see, guys. These are something like a bars and column charts, what we call it as. See, Just some adding some colors, background images. You can understand it, guys. It is going to be something data related to air passengers data set. It is business class, economy plus class. How many females are satisfied? How many females are not satisfied? Like that. Or I think all the females and males, guys, not satisfied, dissatisfied. Males and females are. The other color is the red color is a female is there. Pink color, blue colors are going to be nothing but males, guys. See there are going to be different, which is going to be the visuals what we are going to be creating here, guys. See there, these are going to be nothing but what we call it as line charts. These are what we are going to call it as line charts, setting some background colors, setting some which is going to be background colors, images, whatever you want, guys. We can change and we can see some kind of an application, guys. Different type of chart. This is what we call it as an waterfall chart. So today morning only, this has been happened, guys. This is funnel chart, what we call it as. So why do you require the funnel chart? So in year 2022, 2024, how the sales was modified, how the sales was changed, that is what we are trying to do some analysis here, guys. So that is what practically we can say about this data visualization softwares, guys. That's it, guys. So that is going to be the main introduction part, just to make you understand what is exactly data visualization. So data visualization is a skill or a technique where we are going to convert our raw data. Whatever the raw data was there, the raw data has been got converted into, which is going to be a visual format like this, guys. So this is the one. I didn't written any code for them, guys. I simply dragged it and dropped it, guys. That's it. Simple. This is going to be my pie chart, guys. So just I'm showing the application, guys. Pie chart, this is going to be, I'm showing you, guys. The model is going to be on the, what is the legend here, guys. And the quantity, I'm going to drag it and drop it on the values, guys. Over. This is going to be nothing but what we can call it as pie charts. In our school days, you have learned these pie charts, guys. So data labels, I'm plotting the data, guys. So these are going to be plotting that particular tables, guys. So you can see almost all, if you can see, guys, 37.29% of the sales are done from the Dell, and HP has been done somewhere around 32%, and the Lenovo has been done, which is going to be 29.86%. They have been done the sales, guys. So out of the total quantity the company has sold in the last 4 years or 5 years, how much it is contributed by the Dell, how much contributed by HP, how much contributed by Lenovo. Dell has contributed the highest, guys. HP is the next and the Lenovo is the next, guys. 37%, 32% and 29%, guys. And all about customization only, guys. We have to understand the customization. That's it. Nothing to do, guys. What colors you require, what fonts you require. So just nothing to do in this particular application, guys. I want to change the colors and all these things, whatever you want, we can work on it. That's it. Apart from that, nothing is going to be there in the concept here, guys. That's it. That is the way how we have to work with these practical applications. That's it, guys. Apart from that, nothing is there. That is going to be the one which we can see. And that is the concept of how we have to practically, we have to implement them, guys. Okay. That's it about this particular introduction class, guys. So that is only just for introduction. So today is your first session, guys. So that's why I don't want to just work more on that applications. So just an introduction class, guys. This is my first introduction class. So just a half an hour I have taken, guys. Don't worry. Your regular, actually, it's a batch timing is from, basically from 9:30 batch, guys. So if anybody having any doubts about the classes, it is going to be 9:30 to 10:30 is your batch timing, guys. Only the demo session is only for, which is going to be 10:30. It's a 10:30, guys. Okay. I'll tell you, guys, within 3 or 4 days, I'll start with that, because already there are some students are already there who has already completed the demos. The main classes, they will be starting from Monday. So by that time, I'm going to complete off all the basics for you. And I'll make you to join along with the 9:30 batch of people, guys. There are some 10, 11 students are already there. So we want to add up more students to this particular batch. Okay. That's it, guys. That's it for the today's class, guys. Just for today, we are going to stop it for today, guys. And just a 5 minutes, if anybody wants have any questions, guys, I can take up some questions from your side, guys. Just a 5-10 minutes. Anyone, guys, any questions from your side?
Sir, this batch is offline or online?
It's an online, pure online class.
9:30 batch.
It's a 9:30 a.m.
Okay.
Its batches from 9:30 a.m. to 10:30 a.m. Only demo sessions are from 10:30, maybe from Monday or Tuesday. Because I think Monday, Tuesday, we have 31st. Maybe after 1st of the January, I'll make you to join at 9:30. Already there are some group of students are there We'll complete the batch for them, and then both of the batches will be combined, and we'll take the class at 9:30.
Is there any offline
Right now, offline batches are
batches
not
going on, or
no
any
offline
schedule
batches
is there?
because no student is
Okay.
no one is recommending to the offline classes. You know that, right? It's a time
Okay.
wasting coming to the classes and all these things, traveling and all these things. You are based in Hyderabad.
Yes.
Okay. So right now we are not running any offline batches. Everything is online.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Right.
Thank
Anyone
Sir,
else, guys? Yeah.
yes. Sir, will you explain like how can we install it on Mac OS and
Yeah.
how can we learn on
Yeah.
Mac OS?
I'll tell you. If you are working with Mac OS, I will tell you like what is the alternative you have to work on that. I'll tell you. But I highly recommend to go for Windows systems. Better. At least see,
Okay.
there are some, even if you install it also, every day there is some issue will come. Some issues will come, some packages will be corrupted. Again, you have to install them, again, reinstallation. Because though people are working on that, if there is no alternative for that, then okay, you can work. Otherwise, if you have any alternative system is there with you, at least if you can get it from any of your friends or any other relatives or somebody, so it is good to work on the Windows, better option without having any issues.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Okay. Otherwise, what will happen here is if suddenly you want to work, but when you open it won't work. Again, you have to reinstall the package and all these things. We have to do that. So better is do that. In the case if you are not having any alternative, I'll tell you how to set up the this PowerBI on the Windows systems.
Got it.
Sorry,
Got
on
it.
the Mac system. On the Mac system, I'll explain them.
Got it. Got it, sir.
Right?
Thank you.
Okay. Anyone else, guys? Anyone? Any more questions?
What is the
I have one
duration of this
question.
course?
2 months it will take it. They say that 45 days, but more than 2 months you can take it.
I have one question.
Yes.
Vamsi, I forgot, like I joined a little late. So can
Okay.
I access to the intro part through any recording or something?
Yeah. My backend team is going to send you the recording, whatever the
Okay.
today's session, the recording, but it's only just an introduction part. Nothing has been happened. So no need to worry
Okay. So
about
you
that.
didn't mention anything about the Power BI thing?
Just a small introduction. That's like not Power BI. Generalized
Mhm.
data visualization, I have started with them. Just generalized
Okay.
data
Okay.
visualization.
And when will be the next session that we
Tomorrow.
can attend?
Tomorrow
Okay.
is the
Tomorrow
same time,
9:30.
same
Okay.
10:30.
Okay. 10:30.
Tomorrow
Okay.
10:30
Okay.
only. I'll tell you when should I join at 9:30. Maybe after the 1st of the January, I will shift it to 9:30. Nothing is there. Already some few students already completed the demos. So we want to add up a little bit, another 10 or 12 students you want to join. Already 11 students are already joined who has registered. We want to add up a little bit more students. So we are conducting demos. And after 1 week of time, we'll combine both the batches at 9:30 a.m.
Okay. Okay. Sure. Thank
Okay.
you.
Fine. Right.
Hello.
Anyone else, guys? Yes. Yeah.
Yeah,
Yes.
the prerequisite for Power BI we can required for the SQL knowledge.
Which knowledge?
SQL.
It's not mandatory, but whatever SQL that is required for you as part of the Power BI, I will be taking in the training program. I'm also going to take the SQL classes also for them, but it is not mandatory. It is good to know, that's it, but it is not mandatory.
Okay.
Okay, fine. Right.
I'm sorry to ask again. Will you be covering SQL part also in this?
And the same link, guys, at 10:30 a.m. So tomorrow I'll just give you some small introduction regarding how the data visualization tools has been evolved, what is a history, all these things I'll explain it in the tomorrow's class. And then we can start with some little bit basics of installations and all these things. I can start it in the coming classes, guys. Okay, that's it for the today's class, guys. Just for today, we'll stop it here. I'll see you tomorrow at the same time and the same link, guys. Thanks all of you for today, guys.